Hi, I'm Tom from Litchfield. We're really excited to introduce our new Litchfield Bluetooth Tuning Interface, designed for all Porsche 992 Carrera Turbo and Turbo S models. This new system allows us to send our latest calibration updates directly to your car, wherever you are. It's simple to use, completely secure, and built around the same professional tools we use here in our workshop. Once it's connected, your phone links to the interface via Bluetooth and communicates with our engineers through the programming app. You can read your car's current software, install new versions of our calibration, and even return to standard whenever you like. The app also lets you record a data log while driving. This information is uploaded to the cloud, allowing our engineers to review the engine performance, make sure your car is running perfectly, and fine-tune the calibration for your local fuel or modifications. With this device, it means you get all the benefits of a Litchfield calibration, proven performance, reliability, and expert support without needing to travel anywhere. Your Porsche tuned and refined by Litchfield wherever you are in the world. For more details or to order your own Bluetooth interface, contact the team or visit our website.